Protein shakes with protein powder are so 2022. No, but seriously, we all know the basic: add a scoop of protein powder to water or milk, mix it up, and then drink it after the gym. But I feel like we're all getting a little bit bored of that. I just made the most delicious protein shake recipe with minimal ingredients, not using protein powder, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It can be great for those of you who are just looking to try something new, or maybe you don't have protein powder on hand, can't afford it, or your parents just don't want to buy it for you. So today we're going to be making a high protein shake without protein powder that clocks in at under 300 calories. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post recipes just like this twice a week. And without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. So you're obviously going to need a blender for this recipe. Make sure you have that on hand and just grab the blender cup to start. So first we're going to add 5 ice cubes into the cup. Make sure you made ice the night before, or if you're rich and have one of those fridges that generates ice, that's good for you. Next, you're going to pour in some unsweetened almond milk. Of course, you can use any other liquid, like if you have oat milk or soy milk on hand. Of course, almond milk is just the lowest in calories. Next, add in your non-fat Greek yogurt. Now you're gonna add in my favorite ingredient, Biscoff spread. If you don't have this on hand, you can sub peanut butter instead. I would highly recommend Biscoff though, it tastes like caramel. If you live in Canada, you can get this on Amazon. In case of emergencies, I always have a tub of Biscoff on hand. Next step is to add in your unsweetened cocoa powder. So I just use Hershey's, but of course you could use any other brand, whatever you have on hand. Next ingredient is the 0-calorie sweetener. Of course you could use whatever you have on hand. I used Lakanto monk fruit sweetener. If you're gonna purchase this or any other one of Lakanto's products, you can use my discount code BIT15. You can give that a bit of a mix before adding in the last ingredient. So now you're gonna add in some frozen bananas. So I just got mine in a bag like this from the freezer section. Of course you can freeze your own bananas if you want. But yeah, the texture of the recipe is gonna depend on the bananas being frozen and not fresh. So now you're gonna plug in your blender and blend all the ingredients together. As you can see here, I just pulsed it for like 5 seconds or so, and then I took it out and just checked the texture of it to see if everything is blended up, and then I ended up pulsing it again for another 10 seconds. So I'd recommend just doing that a couple times until everything is blended up and you got the consistency you want. We don't want it to be too runny, we want it to be thick, but not too thick that we can't drink it. And that's about it, you're all done. Okay, taste test time. It's thick, it's so good. This is so good. I'm usually not like a protein shake kind of girl, as you guys would know if you like look at my Instagram or TikTok. Like I don't really drink them that much, but I'm gonna start making this one. This is so delicious. Measurements are perfect, minimal ingredients. I know I put the whipped cream on top to make it look more like a milkshake. It was kind of just for like presentation. You don't need to do that, or you could, but this is unreal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones that don't contain protein powder. I have a handful of those on this channel, so be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed it, because it really helps the channel, and I post similar recipes to this twice a week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.